Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to talk to you about what is an account in Salesforce. Account represents customer account, organization or partner involved with business. When you get a new lead, right? You got a new lead. So you got a new lead. From lead, it's also account. That's why many salespeople are calling they have accounts, and also account from lead you are going to get also a contact. So account means business. Let's say that I'm going to have account which is, I don't know, let's say mouse business as accessories to computers, right? And I want to sell them something, mouse biz. And this is account, but when I create my lead, I got also a contact. Because from this account, I got contact on someone in mouse business. So that's like Jessica, or no, Karen. Karen is my contact on this account. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.